Hello, everybody. This video is designed to help you complete Module 3, Lesson 4, which is working on Table of Contents. This is the same document I've been working on all along, or that you've been working on all along in Module 3. I did add an image here just because I wanted to show you something that I find is difficult to work with in Google Docs with. If I add an image to the top of a page, I don't have any space up here to add text above it. And so it can be kind of frustrating to maneuver this image so that I can get some blank lines up there so I can add some text. So the easy way I found to do it is to select the picture and then select Wrap Text. That allows me to drag this text down far enough where I can get some blank lines up here. And then when I'm done, I can just put it back in line if I want, or I can leave it as wrapped. I'm going to go ahead and just return this text down here. Of course, it's going to be kind of ornery on me, just to get my introduction and stuff down at the bottom. So let me see if I've got some blank lines up here now. Yeah. And I want 2 or 3. So, put more lines in than you think you'll want, because you can always remove the extra lines if you don't want them. So the first part that the assignment for this lesson 4 is to create a title for your entire document. You may have already done it, but if you haven't, you're going to do it now. This was a template, a book report template. So I'm just going to center the text and type in book report. And I'm going to start and apply what's called paragraph styles. They're found underneath the normal text shortcut, or you can also find them under the format menu, paragraph styles, and there's a lot more options here. Okay, so I'm going to select title, and it automatically formats it with this information. Okay. Now I might want to, if I want to move everything down to the picture down to the next page, I just press return a couple times and then it moves down to the next page, and now I can insert my table of contents. Well, I'm not quite ready to insert the table of contents, because if I do it right now, I don't have my document formatted correctly. It says add headings, format paragraph styles, and they will appear in your table of contents. So that's my step 2. I'm going to go to the top of to text on each page that describes my page. So this is my introduction page. So I'm going to select the word introduction, and I'm going to apply heading 1. Now yours may not look exactly like this because this is a template. So when they created the template, they added in the coloring and that kind of stuff. So those of you that are advanced users, there's a video suggested on the lesson page where you can learn how to do this. So that's the first page. Oops, I got a blank page here. So I'm just going to click and press my delete key until it gets to the spot I want. So there's my introduction. Then I want the setting to be in my table of contents. So I'm doing heading 1. I want the characters to be in my table of contents. If they appear in the table of contents, it will give me an opportunity to click on the word and jump to that part of my document. So I'm just going through and I'm going to, now this one I'm going to make a mistake. I'm going to select all of that and do heading 1. And I'm going to show you why in just a second. So let's go back up to where I had my table of contents. And if I click here, I see this arrow to the left. It's a round arrow, and it is a shortcut for updating my table of contents. So now you're going to see each word that I formatted as a heading 1, 2, or 3. You can choose which heading style you want. Just be consistent throughout your document with whichever. If you start with heading 1, use heading 1. Those of you, again, that are more advanced, experiment with what happens if you use different headings, paragraph styles in your table of contents. Now this one, I don't want this text there. I just want the word conclusion. So let me jump to that page. And remember, I said I did this on purpose. So I'm going to change that. It's heading 1. That's why it's showing up there. So I'm just going to change it to normal text. Now let me go back to the first page and update it. And then it's gone. Okay, so it's just that simple to create your table of contents. The key is identifying a word on each page that you want to jump to in your table of contents. Now, when you share your document, I'm in edit mode. You'll be in edit mode. The link's going to appear below. But if you share it with view only, then if I just click on the word itself, it will take me to that page. So hopefully this video has shown you how to add a title to your document and to create a table of contents using the paragraph styles heading 1, 2, or 3.